Okay, let's go ahead. Why not? I'm going to do them out of order, so hopefully I didn't miss any. So on this one right here, let's rewrite these radicals. So I have a minus 5x to the 5/8 here. This is minus 4x to the 3/10. Make sure that's a 3 there. Okay, so now we're finally ready to go. The negative 3/2 stays. The 9/2 comes down. And it's going to be x to the 7/2 because I'm going to minus 2 over 2. So whatever the fraction is, 1 is, in this case, going to be 2 over 2, right? If that was a 3, I would do 3 over 3. Okay? Let's see what the next one is. The negative 5 will stay. The 5/8 comes down. Don't forget everything is timesing together. And it's going to be x to the negative 3/8. Here the negative 4 will stay. The 3/10 comes down. And it's going to be x to the negative 7/10 because I'm going to minus 10 over 10 for 1, you see. 1 is 10 over 10, just like 9 over 9 or 8 over 8 is 1. Okay, so finishing up here, this is negative 27 over 4. X to the 7/2. This is negative 25 over 8, x to the negative 3/8. This is negative 12 over 10, which I'm going to reduce to 6/5. So negative 6/5, x to the negative 7/10. 15. Let's rewrite this as 3x negative 3. So this now is going to be a 7. We're going to bring down the 5/4. X to the 1/4, because I'm going to minus 4 over 4 for 1. Here, the plus 3 is going to stay. The negative 3 comes down. X to the negative 4, because negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. So we have 35/4 here. X to the 1/4 plus negative 9 x to the negative 4. Okay, let's see here. Did I leave myself enough room for 13? I'm going to rewrite this as negative 3 x to the 3/8 plus 9/5 x negative 6. So, hopefully I can read my writing correctly. I'm going to have 4 times the 2/3 that comes down, x to the negative 1/3, because I'm going to minus 3 over 3. I have this minus 3. I'm going to bring down the 3/8. That's an 8 there. X to the negative 5/8, because I'm going to minus 8 over 8. Here I have, I believe that's 9/5. Bring down the negative 6. X to the negative 7. So let's see here. Hopefully sky blue shows up pretty good. There we go. So this is 8/3 x to the negative 1/3. This is negative 9/8 x to the negative 5/8. This is negative 54/5 x to the negative 7. Unless I made some silly mistake and couldn't read my own freaking writing. Okay, let's look at number 11 here. Let's rewrite this as x to the 3/10. And we'll write this as x to the 1/7. Okay. Remember, the index tells you the bottom part of your fraction power. All right, so the 4 is going to stay. We're going to bring down that 3/10. And it's going to be x to the negative 7/10 plus the 7. We're going to bring this 1/7 down. x to the negative 6/7, because minus 7 over 7 would be negative 6, right? So this becomes 12/10, but that simplifies as 6 over 5, x to the negative 7/10, plus this is 7 over 7, which is 1, so all we have is x to the negative 6/7. All right, 14. All of them look good. So the 1/7 stays. We bring down the 9/8. X to the 1/8, because we're going to minus 8 over 8. Plus 3, we're going to bring down this 1/5. X to the negative 4/5, because we're going to minus 5 over 5. Minus 3/4. The 1/9 comes down. X to the negative 8/9, because we're going to minus 9 over 9. So let's see here. That is 9 over 56, x to the 1/8, plus 3/5, x to the negative 4/5, minus 3 over 36, which reduces to minus 1 over 12. Don't forget to reduce your fractions. X to the negative 8/9. So hopefully my writing is legible enough, at least I'm speaking clearly, right? And finally, we got 2 more, I believe. This one I'm going to rewrite as x to the 3/8. This is x to the 1/9. So I'm going to get 3/8, x to the negative 5/8, plus 1/9, x to the negative 8/9. Again, ask your teacher if you need to rewrite without the negative powers. This one here, this is x to the 2/9, okay? Sorry if I'm getting tired and a little sloppy here. And this is x to the 1/8. So I'm going to have 6 times the 2/9, x to the negative 7/9, minus 5 times 1/8, x to the negative 7/8. So this is 12 over 9, but if I reduce that by 3, that's 4/3, I hope. 12 over 9, yep. X to the negative 7/9, right? Minus 5/8, x to the negative 7/8. So if I made any silly mistakes, I apologize. But there's a chance I probably did every single one of them right. So, but hopefully you understand. You got to practice these on your own. So just remember, the power will come down. Any coefficients will also be there to multiply with. And the power itself, you minus 1 from it.